Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same, finna be done.
Uh-oh, I just got popcorners all over my bed. My mom's literally gonna kill me. Hello everyone, I'm Linda. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're not new, hello as well. Cheat days. What are cheat days? Bruh, that's literally how I eat like every day. And no, I don't mean I eat 6,000 calories every day of only donuts for every meal. Although that would be interesting to try. But I would say I do treat myself to some like yum-yums, you know?
Every single day.
On this channel we don't restrict, we don't diet, we don't obsess over calories. It's a space of body positivity, loving food, enjoying moving our bodies, and a lot of pancakes and popcorners. Anyways, you'll see more of that during the actual video. I just wanted to pop in quickly and say hi and eat some popcorners with you all. Now that that's done, let's get into the video. It is so good. My god.
Hi there, Tuesday! For some reason, I just love starting off these videos with me dying and sweating and screaming. This week, I'm literally going to show you every single workout I do and all the pain that I put myself through. Every single workout will be linked in the description box if you want to suffer along with me. Recently, I've gotten into the habit of waking up every morning at 6 to do my Lily Sabri workout. It honestly has been life-changing and painful, but enjoyable at the same time. Today was a cardio, high-intensity type workout. The sweat was ridiculous. After my workout, breakfast was a delicious, delightful bowl of one of my newest obsessions, Greek yogurt. This one's a 3% fat vanilla Greek yogurt topped with the sweetest strawberries, banana, blueberries, and some little grapeys and hemp hearts. Oh, and a ton of granola. Obviously, that is the best part. I'm not even gonna speak, just look at them. This is what makes life truly beautiful. Warning everyone, if you don't like looking at food on people's faces, please skip forward. I'm about to get very, very messy over here. Yes, I am aware that these are not good for me, okay? But they are good for my soul. I don't feel guilty for eating these foods because first of all, my body is asking for it, and I know my body will find balance eventually. A few bites of donuts won't make it or break it. It's all about the long term, and if everything balances out, you're gonna be fine. Not every day can be filled with only healthy foods, or you'll go crazy and have a huge cheat day, but not every day can be filled with processed foods and saturated fats as well. But you know, there are donuts in my house, so I'm gonna eat some donuts. And no, I didn't eat all 4 donuts. After a couple bites, I'm usually satisfied, and all my cravings have been fulfilled. And I wasn't not gonna eat lunch just because I had some donuts, you know? I try not to feel guilty for the things I eat. Donuts make me happy, and so do pancakes. And my body wanted them, so I had them. This is my new and improved recipe for my pancakes with some PB2. Totally try them out. Now on to my second workout of the day. Today was a hit, no repeat workout. In the afternoon, I do an easier workout with my whole family because we love some family bonding times. Here I am putting the donut fuels to some good use. And although these workouts are a little bit more tailored towards beginners, they still give me a pretty good sweat. Dinner was a strange concoction. I'm not lying when I say I eat what my body craves. So we had red bean soup, which is an Asian dish, along with a peach and some homemade salmon rice sushi wraps. I don't really know what happened here. And what better way to start off any week on a Tuesday than with Ben & Jerry's? Ooh, just look at it. It looks so good. If you haven't had Ben & Jerry's, some people say it's overrated, but you literally got to give them credit for making like a bajillion flavors. You can never go wrong with half-baked. Anyways, that was Tuesday, everyone. Wednesday, I was feeling spunky and trendy, so I decided to make some avocado brownies. I've never tried this recipe out before, but the reviews are really good, so I went and poured some pukey green stuff into my chocolate mixture and dumped in as many chocolate chips as possible and snapped my fingers and put it into the oven. Another day, another yogurt bowl, guys. When the berries are fresh and the bananas are perfect, you just gotta yogurt bowl it. And then the brownies were done, but We had to do a workout first, guys. Today, Lily didn't kill me as hard. You can't be giving it 1,000% every day. I would totally burn out so quickly if I was doing like 2,000 burpees like every workout. And then it was time to try the brownies. These brownies are weird. Ew. This was a major fail. Disgusting. Okay, yes, that was really depressing, but lunch was not. My mom made a new version of her bean recipe, and I had it with some egg and chicken. It was really good. And then as a pre-workout snack, I munched on some popcorners and more of my donuts. You already know I'm so against putting restrictions on food. I eat what I want because I find that not restricting is the best option for me. Some days I'll eat 10 brownies and a pint of ice cream, just cuz, and other days I'll eat 3 clean meals and no snacks. That isn't very often, but sometimes. I always say, eat what makes you feel good in your body, what makes you feel awesome and energized. I'm happiest when I let myself eat whole, delicious, buttery, sugary foods. And that shouldn't be something that's considered bad. Remember, it's all about balance. Today's family sesh was a stretching session. Stretching and rest days are really important, guys. Not only does it give you a mental break from your typical training environment, it's a day to help your mind relax and also allow your muscles to recover, and your body to repair the tissues that were damaged. I think it's a really important part of building strength, endurance, and muscle, but, you know, do your own research because I just say that from personal experience, which is literally just jumping around and squatting, so not much experience here. We had some homemade chipotle bowls for the din-dins, and we ended off dinner with some more Asian red bean soup. Beans are very underrated, okay? What's up, Thursday? Okay, now it's time to chit-chat about my workouts, friends. I love working out. Honestly, it's a time where I just forget about the world and everything in my life and just focus on my strength and ability. The feeling of pushing myself as hard as I possibly can is so rewarding, and painful and sweaty, but rewarding. I don't work out twice a day to lose weight or maintain muscle or whatever, I just do it because I love it. Please don't think you have to work out twice a day to eat what I eat. I literally eat like this whether or not I'm working out. So yeah, working out has kind of become like a therapy to me. If I really don't want to do it, I won't, but I've kind of made it part of my routine, and I feel really weird if I don't sweat with Lily in the mornings now. She's kind of made me fall in love with at-home workouts. And I can't breathe afterwards, but that's kind of how I like it. Another yogurt bowl? What is this madness? Just kidding, the golden kiwi makes it a whole different playing field, guys. It was perfect, refreshing, and satisfying. And then yes, I enjoyed some popcorners before I made my lunch, which was, yup, protein pancakes. Yay! Be kind to your body, everyone. Fuel it, give it the right nutrients, because your body is really all you have. So feed your body the right way, find ways to eat nutrients in a way that satisfies your cravings, and your body will thank you. And yes, I also had a mini yam. Guys, I don't know what this move is either, to be honest. I was also being a little bit phone obsessed during this workout, but you know what? I still got a good sweat in. But just like, don't do this, please. It'll just hit you in the face and you won't be happy. Ooh, honey garlic salmon. This is a staple in my household, and wrapped in seaweed. Oh, so good. Also, keep in mind, everyone, I always eat more than what's plated. In my family, we kind of just like pick from the center and eat what we want, like a mini buffet. So don't be deceived, I'm eating a lot. For Friday, Lily wanted to kill my arms, and I've always had very large muscular arms because I genetically come from some very strong farmers back in China. That probably has no correlation to my big arms, but anyways, I don't work them out. Therefore, any arm workout literally kills me, like severely, as I can't feel my arms for the next week. The pain I felt during this workout, like I can't put into words. I can usually push through the pain, like of any leg or butt workout. I can push, okay? With cardio, my lungs can be on fire and I can't even feel my legs and I can keep going. But this was ridiculous.
Oh my god.
Guys, try this workout out, if you dare. And we even ended it off with a little butt workout. She really did want to kill me. Alright, we aren't gonna talk about this anymore. Yes, I realize I have a problem. Am I proud of it? Yeah, kind of. It takes a very dedicated and loyal person to only eat pancakes every single day of the whole week, every week. Like, come on, that looks insane. And of course, I enjoyed it while watching some Modern Family. My favorite time of the day, pancake time. Snack time was yam time. Get yourself some yams, guys. You won't regret it. And then I had a juicy peach while editing because peaches are so freaking good. Before my workout, I was feeling a little bit peckish, so I assembled yet another yogurt bowl. A little smaller this time because I didn't want to feel it like jiggling inside of me while I was doing the workout, you know? Yay, workout complete, which means yay, it's dinner time, which means yay, it's being time. Guys, I'm gonna make a being video for you guys so we can all enjoy this Asian traditional deliciousness together, okay? Also, my mom made these clear rice flour things. I don't know, but it's really Asian, and I loaded my plate up and enjoyed this beautiful meal. Being is life. Today was a rest day for me, so I was like, it's time to make some banana muffins. This is literally an every what I eat in a week video I make because we actually make a batch every week whenever our bananas become brown and yucky. The secret, guys, is peanut butter and as many chocolate chips as you can fit into the bowl. Today, for some reason, the muffins came out really flat, but I think that's because the batter was too runny, but these things disappeared literally in a day. This was my beautiful assembly of them, and of course, with more peanut butter. So beautiful. Wow. Magnificent, delicious, amazing. And yes, I literally do scrape every single piece off that plate. Weekends are now my favorite days of the week because a new episode of It's Okay Not to Be Okay on Netflix comes out.
His face.
Guys, I'm not a huge K-drama girl, but this gets me through the week. I watched it while munching on my popcorners and my dog attacked me the whole time. My mom kind of went off this week and she made another fresh batch of being for lunch with some meat thing and you just like put the meat into the being and that's like a party in your mouth. Being is really addictive though. It's like this amazing, salty, crunchy, doughy deliciousness. I love it. And then I got hungry again. Obviously, no one is surprised there. So I ate some peaches and then another muffin with more peanut butter. I actually think I may go through a jar a week, like I'm being completely serious. We have a stash of peanut butter because I actually have a problem. And then it was more workout family fun time. Anyways, after the workout was my favorite dinner ever. Chicken and rice. Don't even get me started, this is the best thing I've ever put into my mouth. The chicken marinates for 24 hours, the rice bakes for like 3, but it's so worth it. That's the game you gon' get if you step up. Messed up while I've been and done. Hey Milo, how you doing? Even on rest days or days that I don't do that much physical activity, I still listen to my body's cravings. If it wants ice cream, I'm gonna give it some ice cream. Exercise for me is not about burning calories, it's about overall fitness, you know? And ice cream is always acceptable. And this was chocolate peanut butter ice cream. Yeah, that's right. Be jealous.
Fuck. I've been feeling so down. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down?
Yep, as you can see, Sunday's workout absolutely killed me.
We're done!
Now I'm thinking, now I'm thinking.
That's right, it's pancake time times 12. Guys, food is fuel. Food is delicious. Food is an enjoyable part of life if you let it be. I definitely allow it to be. I'm excited in the morning to wake up and eat breakfast and have my pancakes. The point is, every day is a beautiful day to eat food, whatever food that may be. Whether it be 3 salads, 3 pints of ice cream, cheat day or not, give your body what it needs to stay healthy. And also remember to give yourself what you need to be happy. And for me, happiness is a lot of pancakes. Anyways, lunch after my pancakes was another pancake and a mountain of strawberries. And because that isn't a real lunch, I had another pancake, munched on some popcorners, and half a slice of toast with peanut butter and jelly. Awkward food combos, I think, are my specialty. So every family workout this week was by Heather Robertson. She's this amazing fitness YouTuber and she's super thorough and simple, yet never fails to get all of us super sweaty. I highly, highly recommend trying out some of her workouts. Oh my god, they're so cute! Yes, we had these cute beings for dinner along with some broccoli, egg, leftover rice, and it was absolutely delicious.
The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young.
Monday may be the start of the week, but it is our last day of eating together. Aww. So I gotta say, today's workout was very interesting. It was a Pilates core type of workout, very slow isometric movements, very engaging on the abs. So Lily made me balance on this roller ball stick and do some ab workouts, and it was just really strange. And yes, my abs were burning, but it was also a very awkward sensation. Not sure I enjoyed it, but I'm always up for trying new things. Ooh, although today's breakfast is literally the same as every other day, it looked extra scrumptious today, and I enjoyed it while doing some fun editing. And then for my not so famous but delicious chip recipe, guys, I so recommend this. You just sprinkle on some spices, some parmesan if you want, bake it, and while you're waiting for the chippies to bake, you make some ultimate guacamole. Guacamole is so underrated. It's like creamy and delicious and full of healthy fats. Awesomeness. And the final product, tell me that doesn't look insane. And then we do a little dip and a little taste test.
It's so good.
And then my mother made me try a pear. And then we had more bean for lunch and eggs and ketchup and yams. The scrambled eggs with ketchup, weird. Tell me how you guys eat your scrambled eggs. Anyways, then I stuffed my face with popcorners to fuel me for my next workout.
Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done.
And the last dinner of the week was my go-to honey garlic salmon with some Asian glass noodles. Oh yes, and we mustn't forget about the avocado. I almost forgot about that one. The last thing I wanted to say is that in my opinion, there is no such thing as a cheat day. Some of you may consider my everyday diet as a cheat day for you, or some of you may think that this is healthy compared to what you eat. Food and your diet is individual. It's yours. Eat what your body craves and eat for you, not for anyone else. And my body craves some Ben & Jerry's, so we ended the week off by finishing the pint. Goodbye Ben & Jerry's, and goodbye everyone. I'll see you both again very soon.
Anyways, that's all I ate for this week. I'll see you guys next week though for another What I Eat in a Week video. I hope that gave you some insight on my diet, my workouts, and my relationship with food, and I hope you got something out of that. Or you just enjoyed watching me eat, because I enjoyed eating for you. Anyways, I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.